Good morning, Kali. Kiata. 10:02. 24 ata today. Today is Thursday. Thursday, remember? We are leaving to orthodontics today for Nicole. You don't want coffee?
No.
Ikaw mukaon? Dapat mukaon ka.
No.
Guys, kitang-kita niyo naman guys, no? Basang-basa pa yung buhok ko kasi I just got out from shower. Nakakabihis ko na nakapag-shower, nakapag-everything. Pero basa pa yung buhok ko, guys. Dapat alis kami lang like mga 10:30 kasi yung appointment ni Nicole is 11. Kailangan alis kami ng 10:30 kasi like papuntang college station is like mga 20 minutes drive. 20 to 30, depende sa traffic. Magawa ko ng coffee. I'm making coffee for myself and for my husband. Nicole, mukhaon na yung breakfast. Sobrang init sa labas. I can feel the summer. Nag-ano kami dito guys, like umabot kami ng 36 degrees Celsius. Init sa labas, like around mga 4 or 5 p.m. Sobrang init. Kaya hindi na ako nag-spend so much time sa labas. Like, usually talaga lumalabas ako around mga 5, 6 para mag-do something sa garden. Pero, my gosh, this time around sobrang init. Like, hindi pa ito yung pinaka-mainit na season. Like, next month talaga yung pinaka-fire. Mainit na sobrang init dito sa Texas. And then gusto ko yung i-update sa aking garden situation kasi for the past month, I think month, no? So, sobra pa sa month hindi ako napakita sa inyo ng mga nangyayari sa labas ng ating garden. Si Daddy naglingkod-lingkod pa diyan, tumingon na po ni Ronald. Late na kahit ha. Hindi sala mo kayo. Ano kang hilok dayon. Bahala.
What pocket? It's been so long.
It's been so long you want? Tapos pag mapalit ang hot pocket, di pag mamukaon. Nung puno guys, binilhan ako ng asawa ko ng kape. Hindi pa ako nawawala ng kape kasi yung asawa ko yung nagre-remind sa akin. Pag paubos na yung kape ko, like, okay, order naman. Order naman tayo sa Amazon. Kasi sa Amazon ako kumukuha ng kape guys. Nagpunta kami yung Asian store. Pero, wala na silang Nescafe. Ay, hindi ko alam bakit wala silang Nescafe. Meron sila kopi ko. Pero Nescafe wala. So, online na lang ako bumibili. Ganun. And because coffee is life for me, hindi talaga ako pwede pag walang kape sa isang araw. So, yeah, I'm so grateful. I-blower ko lang yung buhok ko, no? Para matapos na kasi sobrang basa ng buhok ko. Ginagamit pala ako sa aking hair. Anti-freeze. Kasi meron lang nga tayong color ng ating hair. So, gumagamit ako ng ganito. I'm not sure, first time ko siyang gamitin, actually, today. So, I don't know how it helps. Kasi minsan yung buhok ko talaga pag dry, like pag dry na yung hair ko, nag-freeze talaga siya. And it's very normal, especially if you have like, color sa buhok. But, yeah, I'm trying to see kung meron tayo. Kung gagana ito. Sana gagana, hindi ko alam baka gagana. Parang siyang water na may pagka-oil, I don't know. Tapos, iba-blower. Anong nag-leak man eh? Hindi na puno yung camera natin, but it's okay. We'll be leaving in 3 minutes. So, let's go, people. Well, lagay ko pa pala yung coffee ng asawa ko. Ay, ako na yan ililinis. Hindi kaya. Pag nagmamadali, hindi kaya. Oh, did you put it all together? Oh, babe. Okay, guys. 3 minutes. People. Yummy. You waiting? Oh. Tama. Mag-chinilas ko, mag-shoes. I'll wear this slipper from Shein. As always, Shein is the best. Igitagan, may mag-food dira si Kali. Why? Oh. Is everyone ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Like OOTD for today's video from Ukay Ukay. Love it. From thrift store. This one is the... Hala, ganahan ko, yes. I like that one. I know. That's nice. Time to go. Ganito kainit sa labas right now. And what time is it? 10:30. Come on na, let's go. Ay, open the car. The car is not open. I think I closed it. Guys, ito pala yung nabili ko na rose. Kung last time video ba. So this one, not fully established, but look. Alam kong buhay na to. Kasi this one, wala to nung nakaraan. Nung binili ko to guys, wala pa yan. So ngayon, lumabas na siya. So meaning, it's alive. Ay, no. And then this one, natanggal yung kaisa-isang dahon. But it's fine guys, kasi meron siyang buds dyan. And palabas na rin yan. So, these are all rooted roses when I got this one. Small nga lang siya, but I got this one for $10 each, which is really good. Ito yung pinakamahal, by the way. If bibilhin mo siya online, like, this is climbing rose. This is beautiful. You can search Lady of Shalott. It's so pretty, like, orangey. Na malalaki yung flower niya and super beautiful, like around $70 or $80 ata per rose sa mga ganito, but you know, I got it for a cheap price. Can you open the car please? Can you like open na? What do you mean? Can you tell whoever like working in your teeth today that you have something like you bothered on the side? Tell them. Are you sure? Kaisa-isang sunflower guys, kasi tinanggal ko na yung maraming sunflower, naiinis ako kasi akala ko dwarf yung nabili kong seeds, pero my goodness, ang hahaba pala nila. So ito yung iniwan ko kasi ito yung maganda pa yung bulaklak, yung iba kasi nalalanta. We are here again, orthodontics.
So big.
We're back sa seat na favorite namin. May nakaupo dito kanina. So, Yashli, hi. Yashli. You did pink again. I thought you said you want sky blue color.
Yeah, pero panong gisig of Mustang.
Smile to me. Did you tell her about your uncomfortable thing? Did you? You should. You should. Daddy, she's done.
Okay.
Puro ukay-ukay itong suot namin, guys. Oh, from thrift store. Can you believe this? Thrift store. Yes, the thrift store then. I'm too slow? You're telling me I'm so slow. I'm too slow. She said I'm too slow. She said I'm too slow. We need to clean this car. Ang bilis naman manhugaw ng atong car. Ay! But yeah, we're here in College Station, so why not going somewhere? We are here at Freddy's Burger Steakhouse Restaurant. First time ng mga kids to try this one, but it's our second time. Bill and I went here last week. I think sarap dito guys, super like fresh yung kanilang beef. This one, they have ice cream too, by the way. They have ice cream. Yeah, and they're not busy. See, walang masyadong tao dito.
You see my Pepsi?
Pepsi?
You see my Pepsi? That's my Roblox tissue.
Hahaha. Pepsi daw. I like the lighting here. It's so pretty. Look, Nicole. Nag-sparkle siya, oh. Pretty, no?
That's so nice.
So, you want this? I'll get you one. It's so nice. So, Nicole wanted to try the original Freddy's burger here. And then, malaki kasi siya na serving. Sabi ko, bibili na lang Nicole for her. And then, I know for sure na hindi niya ma-finish iyon. So, I'm gonna finish the entire burger. And then, we get Yashni a tender, chicken tender, of course. Kasi usually tender lang naman yung kinakain. Chicken. Guys, hindi ito nag-explore ng another food. So, hinahayaan ko lang yung anak ko kasi talaga naman.
Subscribe. 5 subscribers.
Did you post something?
That's Ati's channel.
It's so cute. Muna yung gingon ni Daddy. Very, very tiny. Ka-cute sa iyang chicken. Look. Tananan, tananan. Very, very cute. And then Freddy. So cute. What is that? Sticker. SMR? And then Daddy. Favorite ni Daddy to dito kasi yung beef nila guys. Sobrang fresh. They do have on the corner. You can go and ask for. You can go and get salt for you. You want me to give you salt? Yeah. How much are you have?
I think tumaba ng pasta.
Get 106 or the already get 106. Thank you.
I don't think they have salt. It's salty already. That's why I told Daddy last time that we don't need salt anymore. Okay, it's salty. How was your burger? Good? Try it. Pagko kutsara, tinidor pa eh. Tantay. Lamig kayo, tanawa na guni guys. Oh, very fresh. Ila ang beef. Super, super fresh. I love Freddy's. First time kong ma-appreciate yung mga fast food chain. Kasi usually, diba, hindi na ako magbabanggit ng pangalan ng like, how do you call this one? Fast food. But here, ito yung parang like, oh wow. Like, talaga yung beef nila sobrang fresh. Bagong-bago na naluto. Sobrang linis dito, guys. At the same time, wala masyadong tao. How was your chicken? Rated?
7.
7. Lamig pa ginapa ng Denny's? Wala pa rin tatalo sa Denny's. How was that?
Huh? Ito lang ko.
We are home already. 12:30 in the afternoon, guys. Whew. Mainit sa labas. Sobrang init po sa labas. Like, sobrang init. I was even thinking like puntang Lowe's or Home Depot for another set of plants na naman, guys. Kasi naisip ko yung sa front namin. Di ba tinanggal ko yung sunflower? So, pagtanggal ko sa sunflower, parang like there's so much space sa area, and I was like, I really wanted to fill it with plants. Ako po yung tipo na tao na I really wanted it like kind of bushy, flowery thing when it comes to flower ideas sa front yard or backyard. Hindi po ako yung taong like small flower spots type. Ako po yung tipo na gusto ko fill in or punong-puno ng klase-klaseng bulaklak yung aking yard. So, I already like transferred my, how do you call this one? I already transferred my Heartthrob hydrangea, yung dalawang pot na nabili ko sa Walmart online. Also like planted my Earth Angel bush rose na binili ko rin from Miss Phone from College Station. Ito yung taong binilhan ko ng roses, guys. Yung bagong roses and yung Earth Angel sa kanya ko binili. I don't know, I think it's just like so weird of me na mas prefer ko talaga na mas maraming different kind of flower yung magiging setup ng aking front yard. Parang hindi ko alam. Yung asawa ko, guys, he doesn't care about like how it looks like naman when it comes to flowers. Ako yung mas akin itong kind of thing. So, he is really happy to just you know, like get whatever I need when it comes to plants, flower, and soil, fertilizer, yung mga ganon. But of course, I kind of stop myself not being too obsessed of buying more plants because here in the USA, in Texas, hindi siya ganun ka cheap when it comes to like plants. So like I'm trying to at least get something that can multiply, you know what I mean? Like bumibili ako ng mga plants na alam ko nag-propagate or nag-multiply siya by its own. I don't have to like buy it over and over again. So meron akong mga plants dito na I could just like cut it and plant it in a pot, yung mga ganon. So I am really hoping na after siguro mga by next year we could be able to multiply them, and I don't have to buy again and again and again and again a flower kasi it's not cheap. I'm just so proud of myself, to be honest, kasi I really wanted to do this. I really wanted to make our yard pretty. Kasi po, ako po yung like, tipo ng tao na mahilig talaga magtanim. And because my parents raised me this way, yung parents ko, both my both yung mama and papa ko, guys, they really like plant. Since we live in Bukid, we live in province, we plant different things, flower, crops, blah, blah, blah. So, parang mahilig ako, na-raise ako na ganun. I mean, lumaki ako na ganun. So, yeah, it's just so unfortunate because I think I couldn't be able to plant the crops here kasi hindi naman ganun kalaki yung aming backyard. But I will just focus on the flower thing. And I was even thinking na, siguro one day, because like I said, I meet Miss Phone, diba? And Miss Phone, she's just like selling something in the marketplace and she sold a lot. And I was like, maybe I can do that too. Like, if one day everything will goes great, everything will really like multiply and everything, my plants and flower will really like, you know, kaya ko nang mag-plant ng stem and it will grow. Pwede din akong mag-sell sa marketplace. Who knows? We'll see, guys. Meron akong parcel. Hindi kami lumabas Wednesday, so hindi kami nakapag-stop over sa mailbox. Clothes lang to, guys. Bumili ako ng short na black shirt kasi wala akong shorts. And then, meron akong tops here as well. Hindi, mura lang to. I got this one from Shein. Shein lang naman lagi, yung go-to. Ukay-ukay or Shein. Yan yung mga go-to places ko when it comes to like buying clothes. And hindi naman to siya mahal. So, it's fine. This one, black. Meron akong isang black short here. But I wanted something na hindi siya super fit sa akin kasi yung isang black short ko dyan fit. So, I wanted something na pwede ko siyang i-match with my blazer para magiging corporate look tayo. But, yeah, this one, I think I got this one for like $13 if I can remember it correctly. But this one is black and it has belt as well. May kasama siyang belt. Hindi nga lang kagandahan yung belt. Parang mamurahin tingnan. I don't think I can use this one. But we have other belts as well. So yan, maganda siya. Meron siyang ano ba? Bulsa. And I am size extra small. 34 EU. So, extra small. This will really fit. And this one, ito yung tatlong set ng top na sabi ko, I got large kasi yung mga nakikita kong review sobrang fit sa kanila rin. I don't want something so fit kasi gusto ko rin naman makahinga, guys. And this has a, oh, I told you, sobrang nice ng quality. Sobrang nice ng quality. Yes, I like this one. Yung quality niya, cotton. So I got black, white, and beige, or maybe you go beige ba to, or this is like apricot color. This one. So tatlo. So meron kasi akong jeans. May paparating pa akong jeans na binili. I got it because naka-on sale siya for like $11. So I was like, I'm gonna get that one. Kasi like in regular price, it was like $25. So sabi ko, kunin ko yan. $11 lang. So paparating pa yun. And I'm not sure if I should share with you guys. Meron kaming plano ni Bill for his birthday. Pero, ayaw ko nang sabihin. Kasi, mamaya na. Pag nakapag-book na kami ng ticket. But anyway, that's why bumibili ako ng clothes for the trip. I'll just put this in my laundry basket para malaman yan. It's already 5:03 guys. Sobrang init sa labas. Hindi ako makalabas. Sobrang init. Oh. Grabe yung init. Sakit siya sa panit. Anyway, dumating na yung order ko from Walmart. Bumili ako ng rug for the entrance and I'll get it. Nasa labas. No! Dito na siya. It's so funny. Mamaya ko rin buksan. Manunood muna kami ng movie.
Oh, smell my face!
What? What happened? Drama queen. What? You old?
Na-slip ko kasi akong gipira.
Piyong, close your eyes.
Now.
Close your eyes. Ta-da! Hey guys.
Okay, ready?
Unboxing. Kaya kong gunting.
Uy! Wala na ko. This is so mean.
Gunting. Gunting, please. Like, what do you think that is? Install pa pala namin tong mirror. By the way, binili namin to sa... I forgot. I think we got this one from... Saan ba namin to binili? Walmart?
Amol man.
I forgot talaga. Binili namin to somewhere. Nakalimutan ko na. Kung meron ka pala. Yan. Good. Good. You know what that is?
No.
Here, here on the side.
Huh? Para na niya ako.
Huh?
Sa din na.
You think that's yours?
Sa na. Ay?
Wow. They're so disappointed. I was like, wow. You know what I got? 1, 2, 3. Ay, bulak ko na si Nicole. Ato siya i-deliver.
Bugat ka kali ka mo daog.
Okay.
Ako.
Tignan niyo itong mga ginawa nitong dalawa.
Gising
Gising na.
You see the Ayaw na.
Ano ba yun?
Ganito. Wala na.
Ayoko sa inyo. Slide! Slide! Come on!
Don't worry. You're so fat.
Ano ba yun? Sige daw. Alright. Squeeze. We're gonna deliver you to the Philippines. Okay, guys. Your grandma will be very happy. We'll deliver you to the Philippines. You arrive there 3 months. What? Again. One. Ayaw. Sige na, kumakaber na. Ayaw. Good. Oh my gosh. I wanna see the size. Ay. Walang size nakalagay, pero meron yan sa phone ko, guys. Mamaya. Lagay ko na lang yung size. But this is how it looked like. Malaki siya, so which is really good. I think I got this one. Ano lang? $39? So, mura lang siya. Compared. Well, because I'm gonna put this in the... Sige. Tarunga nga di maigo ng ano. What?
Hey guys.
Ay! guys, my kids are so crazy. Excuse me? She was like,
I-roll it daw ko, ipa-roll it.
oh, araw di ka ginawa.
Guys, the slide. Wow! Mala.
Wow, I like this one.
Easy.
Peasy. Peasy, peasy. Okay. Kasi naiinis ako every time labas, pasok kami sa aming indoor. I mean, ano tawag ito? Like, entrance door. Wala kami something na paggunuhan ng kaabak.
Wait, guys! Wait for me.
Kaya ko, ano?
Wow.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Wait, no, walang makita. Kaya that really is perfect for our beat. Oh, see? Ito yung hinahanapan ko ng rug. Wala akong makita. Malaki pala siya, guys, in person. So this is really good. Goy, yes, you have a perfect place to lie down, Kali. No. Agoy. Now you're like, I wanna sit here and lay here because it's comfortable and warm. Yeah, Kali was like, oh, this is perfect. Perfect for them. Yeah. Kali was like, this is so perfect. She's teaching me a trick how to open this candy
Go.
thing. She said, grass. Ano lang? Tapos mulokso.
Go.
Ah! It's working!
Lucky kayo.
What? I didn't know.
Lucky hindi
Okay. Now I'm gonna eat ice cream again. What did you do? Oh, wow. So you're gonna move your bed again?
No, I don't know.
Which one you like?
I don't know.
She has her own ideas. I'm gonna eat ice cream. It's 7:28. Lumabas ako, guys. Sobrang init. Grabe. It's super, super hot. Right now, it's like 35 degrees Celsius outside. Sobrang init. Bumili kami nitong ice cream na ako lang naman yung kakain kasi this is vanilla. Yung mga bata ayaw nila nito. Yung asawa ko, hindi naman kumakain ito. So I'm gonna eat it myself. Mandami pa, oh. Kumain ako kanina. Hala, yung hindi si daddy, no? You have to finish the whole ice cream, by the way. Because, like, we don't have space anymore sa atong freezer. Okay, dako kayong galon din. Nata mo ba yung ice cream for you guys? You're not eating it anyway. You only eat it when we reminded you to eat. No, I'm talking about the cookies and cream ice cream you have. Yung si daddy, pahurot daw to ninyo. Do you know how much it costs to buy this? It's not cheap. How much? Maybe around $300. $300.
This?
Yeah, that's good. You think it's cheap? Yeah, but ang wobbly one, not the strong one, not the sturdy one. Gusto daw siya, yung room, it changed. So, my room. Where's the entrance? Door. Where's the door? Ah! Ana. Okay, sa mga gustong mag-sponsor ni Nicole dyan, her favorite color, guys. Gusto niya this. I'm not looking. I'm just showing you how look na like Dear Diary, ano ba? Jenny vlog. So, yung favorite color ng anak ko, guys, she said white and blush pink. Yung theme ng kanyang room. Daw. So, if ever, meron sa inyo dyan ng mga used, charot, mga yuugan. Hinabang. Di, mga ito tao ano, ukay-ukay. Then we're gonna find something out there. Goodwill nga. Mga ukay, ganita kayo naman sa mga bedsheet dito.
Pero okay. Any kind of pig is a good and
So cold and fattening.
Is there the billion? I don't even have a lot.
I thought it's gonna switch on by. And then
Well,
Because I need to learn this.
I didn't bring my glasses. Let me see.
Do you want me to?
On, off.
Alright.
Where's it at? And then...
Arrow. Ah, so you just press this button after on. We're watering the grass.
Anyway, I went into the garage.
Dapat pretty siya sa vlog. Gusto niya pretty. Huh? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Putting all the dishes away. Para mahugasan na, guys. I thought you're going to eat. Huh? Yan. Clean the sink as well. Wipe this. Everything clean. I know you can do that. That's how our kitchen looks like. Sobrang messy. Someone, are you gonna cook egg? Are you gonna cook egg? Oh, okay. Ganito. Ang aming doggy. Busy ang aming daddy. And si Yashli, that's enough na. Come on. I'm watching another one. Yash, come on, let's watch. We just finished watching a movie.